Hola amigos, my name is Coqui the Chef. I love to cook and learn from the greatest chefs on earth. Come into my fun culinary world where you will learn about food, comida, nutrition, nutrición, and health. Salud! Hi everyone, I'm here with Anthony and Paul.
Hey!
The Ramirez Brothers.
Yeah, thanks for having us, Cookie.
Thank you for being here. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure, my name is Anthony Ramirez.
My name is Paul.
And together we own a company called FromTheBronx.com, where we make beautiful Bronx sweaters and t-shirts.
Right,
Oh, those
all
are nice.
positive Bronx stuff.
Oh, I need to talk to you guys. I might want one of those.
Oh, we have your size. That would be like a small?
Perfect. Yeah, super small.
Definitely.
All right. So we're here to do my favorite recipe, Sofrito Dip.
Oh, exciting.
And we got all the ingredients lined up here. We got onions, tomatoes, garlic, peppers, ajíes, cilantro, and parsley.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be delicious. I'm
Definitely.
excited.
Looking really
Cannot
good.
wait.
Very
Oh, I'm so excited.
And colorful.
Hey guys, I need to tell you something.
Yeah, what's that?
What are you gonna say?
Why did the salad go to the music studio?
I don't know why.
To make a beat?
That's a good one.
It's all right. That was all right.
That's all right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
So firstly, I'm gonna have Anthony grab the onions.
Onions.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let's pass it here.
Yeah.
All
Throw
right.
those in that processor there. All right. Then we're gonna grab the tomatoes.
Got it. Here we go.
Good.
Oh, tomatoes look delicious.
Yeah. I just picked them today in the farmer's market.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Then we get the garlic.
Garlic. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite part of any Caribbean dish is the garlic.
Me too.
Until later in the day.
The ajíes.
Yeah.
You know which one's that?
Yes, I got it.
That's the ajíes.
There you go.
Yeah. And peppers.
Peppers. We have green and red.
Yes, throw those both in.
All
It's
right.
a nice color.
Yeah,
it's
it's
beautiful.
gonna be-
Yeah. And then do we have cilantro?
We do have cilantro.
Perfect.
Are we putting all the cilantro in? Just the leaves?
Just throw in what comfortable.
Throw in a
there.
bunch of
Just
leaves, huh?
Yeah, just.
Okay, so we'll
yeah,
do about half of these today. I'll let Paul rip it up and throw the leaves in.
Yeah.
You get to break these leaves out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just rip it up. I think we have another ingredient over here, no?
Yes, we do. That's right. Parsley.
Parsley, all right.
Get that parsley.
We'll
Throw
do a
that
little-
in there.
All right, so we'll do some parsley next.
Parsley too. Here we go.
Very good.
These kind of look the same, huh?
Yeah, you're right.
They don't smell the same, though. It smells delicious.
Oh, and I almost forgot. The salt and pepper.
Oh yeah, I got
let's
that
get
right
those.
here.
Those are for the flavors.
Here you go. So just a pinch of each.
Exactly.
There's that pepper.
All right, we got a little
Pinch of
pinch
that.
of pepper in here.
And
Let's spread it around, right? Put another
that's good.
pinch. I
Oh,
pepper.
you like it extra pepper?
Yeah, I
That's
like a
fine.
little kick in there.
Just have
There
the
you go.
water on the side, you know?
All right, not too much salt.
Yeah.
No, definitely not too much.
All right.
All right. This
All
is
right.
good.
Let's cover it up.
I'm excited. This is
Oh,
very
I'm
colorful.
very excited.
Now, Paul, you have the honors.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, so while this is blending, let's tune in with Dr. Eatwell.
What is the best way that the remote can make our vegetables?
The best way to cook vegetables is to cook it as fast as possible in order to retain its nutritional value. Bake it, roast it, sear it, blanch it, and use minimal amount of oil. Lightly season it with salt and pepper. Overcooking a vegetable kills its nutritional value. I promise it will taste better.
All right. I think it's ready.
Yeah, it looks so.
Yeah, let's try this out. We're gonna taste just a little bit of it.
Yeah, before we share it with everyone. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
That's right. You gotta make sure it's good before we share with people.
All right.
Go right there.
All right. So, Cookie, do you want to try the first piece?
Yeah,
Let me
definitely.
grab a plantain chip here. Dip it into our Sofrito dip. And what do you think? Huh?
Que rico! Great
Huepa.
job, guys. Well
ready.
done
All right.
indeed.
All right, it's my
Vamos,
turn.
man.
My turn
Vete
too.
para adentro.
Yeah.
No pare, sigue. No pare, sigue.
Oh, it's delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Oh, it's so good.